All right, everybody. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. As you can see, it's gorgeous and 50 out. I got two cooks coming, one on the 18, one on the 22. Ooh, baby. Let's rock. Ready for my first cook here today. I want to do some chicken wings, of course. Super Bowl Sunday. And we're going to keep this simple with some pink Himalayan sauce and some teriyaki sauce. Some sesame teriyaki sauce. Now on my wings, of course, you could split them into your drumettes and stuff, but I like to fold them over. Okay, so I'll fold them over. There you go. And if you prefer to split them, please do. Just bend that right behind there and you're all set. Oh yeah. Okay, there you go. Alrighty, and so I'm going to take my pink Himalayan salt and give them a good dusting on both sides. Okay, now I'm not going to oil these up because I want to keep my flares down. I'm going to be cooking this on coals over charcoal, so I don't want too much flare. And I'll be doing another cook later today. This is cook number 1 on this Super Bowl Sunday. And there, as you can see, I got a 2-zone fire on my little 18. Okay, I got a hot side and a cooler side. I'm going to put a little cherry wood in there to get a little smoke rolling, of course. This is a very quick cook, about maybe 15 minutes in total. And first what I want to do is put my wings over the hot side just to get that char going. I personally like my wings a little on the crispy side, a little burnt, if you can say. Oh, yeah. As soon as we get that top on, we'll get that flare will smother itself out. And you can see a nice smoke rolling. And as you can see, what I'll do is I'll move these around a little bit. Some will be a little bit more cooked than the others, a little more charred than the others, so we'll keep them moving. Oh yeah, oh yeah, there you go.
Hey, Molly.
Nothing like chicken wings on the charcoal grill. And as you can see, I got a nice smoke going now. There you go. I got some nice color forming on these wings. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I'll shift these over now to the cold zone, the cool zone. And let's get a little sauce on there, why not? Now you don't want to sauce them too early because they'll burn. Okay, the salt has a sugar content in it, so you move them to the cold zone and sauce them up. if you've never had this teriyaki sauce, I suggest you pick it up. I'll be doing some kebabs later this evening, and I'll be using the same sauce. And from here, what I want to do with about a minute or so left, I want to move them over to the heat to get some good char going. I do like my wings crispy. And the sauce will help in that process. Oh yeah. There you go. Keep them moving. Oh yeah. And that's what I'm talking about. You can use that sauce to dip them also if you prefer. Oh yeah. Wow. And I could tell you right now, these chicken wings are going to be exceptionally good. And I do believe it's time to plate these bad boys up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How's that look? Everyone, see you later. Enjoy.